Hello friends, welcome to my channel Women's Storybook. We always looking to make different and innovative dishes, especially with eggs. Today I am going to show a wonderful dish, cream pepper egg, which is really tasty and easy to cook. It requires quite a few ingredients to prepare this dish. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to Women's Storybook channel and also hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 6 eggs, 1 medium size chopped onion, 3 chopped chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, half teaspoon of coriander powder and paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, salt as required, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now take a flat pan and heat it with 2 tablespoons of white oil. Now I am pouring all 6 eggs into the pan to fry. Add some salt and start frying it. Fry it on a medium flame. It's almost fried. Now I am keeping it in a separate container. Here is the fried eggs. Now take a pan and heat the pan with 2 tablespoons of white oil. Add the ginger garlic paste and saute it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped onions and chilies. Mix all together and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Onions are almost fried. Now I am going to add the fried egg. Saute it well. Now I am going to add the spices, starting with 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, salt according to your taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now mix all together. Now add 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Mix it. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. Now add some water. Mix it. Cover the pan and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now cream pepper egg is ready. Here is your cream pepper egg that you can serve immediately with roti or naan. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.